Hey friends! Welcome to our Tagaytay Weekday Adventure! And today we're sharing how you can enjoy a fun and relaxing day here. So ito na nga, kwento ko lang yung quick Tagaytay trip namin. Since weekday kami pumunta, hindi crowded. Super chill, perfect for our family na may isang napakadiksing toddler. So here, our first stop, lunch at Balay Dako. If you're craving authentic Filipino comfort food with an amazing view of Taal Lake, this is the spot. We ordered family-style dishes, perfect for sharing. Hindi pwedeng wala yung signature bulalo nila. Grabe ang lambot ng beef, tapos yung sabaw mainit na mainit pa. And next stop, we are going to Via Pia Tagaytay. It's time to check in. So this Mediterranean-inspired stay is perfect for families who want a peaceful retreat. The rooms are spacious and comfy, plus you have a nice amenities for both kids and adults. So since it's a weekday, tahimik at hindi crowded, meron akong separate content for this hotel. Watch nyo na din sa playlist ng Tagaytay. Around 4 p.m., we headed to Sky Ranch, our third stop. We book our rides all you can na ticket via Agoda Activities sa website or app. FYI, separate entrance fee per head, 120 pesos. Iba pa tong ride all you can na ticket na online lang talaga mabibili. Ang good news, may discount sa Agoda if you use my code, AGADTRAVEL. Avail, nasa comment ang link. Imagine 306 pesos on discounted rate. So this is really practical lalo na sa kids na gustong umulit-ulit sa rides. At kasama na nga din ang one-time ride sa train at sa Sky Eye. And for our fourth stop, samgyupsal for dinner sa Robinsons Tagaytay. At hindi kumpleto ang Tagaytay trip kung walang coffee stop. So we headed to the Starbucks Reserve, Dahiraya. At kinabukasan nga naman, maaga rin kaming pumunta ng playground para maglaro. At after that, pumunta naman kami ng Paradiso. Thanks for joining our family adventure. Follow us for more!